Hi everyone, this is Kivo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin reaction video ang Barda compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Barda has to offer for today's video. Just, bakit ganon yung boses mo, KB? Ganon talaga mga mami. So yeah, panoorin natin to.
Yes,
Ano
there
to?
were certain names na sinuggest, but of course, medyo nag-center ako dun sa Barbie for that. May
Ah,
mga nababanggit for it, for cherries. Pero si Barbie yung, alam ko kasi yung galing niya eh, husay na, and I'm a fan. Actually, isa sa mga factors na sobra akong excited sa project is basically because of Barbie. Majority is because of Barbie, because I really just wanted to work with her. Yun yung abangan.
Reason Leos can't find love. It's not what you think.
okay.
Sana magkaroon ako ng ganitong klaseng freedom. Kasi nga, di ba, galing dun sa tanong kanina na kailangan good girl ka palagi sa industry, di ba? So, sana magkaroon din ako ng laya, ng freedom to be wild sometimes as Barbie, and that people will not judge me for it. Asala kaya? Minsan kasi maging wild, ha?
Pero bago sa Barbie,
Sarap.
nakarelate ka ba dun sa role mo? Have you ever been cheated in real life?
Have I ever been cheated in real life? Honestly, to be fair,
Oh,
I never confirmed, so I guess I would say no.
Like, well, totoo naman kasi si Khalil, napakabait
Ayun,
naman kasi
si
talaga
David ang
niyang
mga sagutan niya.
tao. Kahit ako, gusto ko talaga siya na tao. Like, he's a friend of mine. Pag nakita ko siya sa gym, I really talk to him. We talk for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes, di ba? I mean, he's really a nice person. Kaya, for sure, yun din naman talaga yung magiging perception ni Barry of him.
Nagulat ka rin na
Na ano?
yung sa ganong statement
na ano?
Alin dun?
Halin doon?
na parang with Khalil, siya yung pinakamatinong leading man or ka-love team.
I mean, if that's her opinion,
final
then...
pa.
Diba? It's okay. Yeah. If that's your opinion, it's okay. Well, totoo naman kasi si Khalil, napakabait naman kasi talaga niyang tao. Kahit ako, gusto ko talaga siya na tao. Like, he's a friend of mine. Pag nakita ko siya sa gym, I really talk to him. We talk for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes, di ba? I mean, he's really a nice person. Kaya, for sure, yun din naman talaga yung magiging perception ni Barry of him.
Nagulat ka rin na
Okay.
I think po for this one, it's a series agreement. It's ano lang talaga siya, series, and hopefully next time, dumami rin, tingnan natin. Let's see.
Kanina kasi Boss Vincent mentioned nga may collab sila with GMA also. So eto yung project mo.
I am really not familiar sa business side of things ng entertainment industry nila. Yung deal namin right now, all I know is that I have a project which I'm really excited for, and I'll do my best sa gagawin ko.
Anyways, yan, congratulations. Yan, excited na rin kami with your projects with Diva. Thank you.
Thank you so much, bro. You always do your best, David. Diba? Kaya naman,
Super excited
ako
ako. Kamusta naman ang mga bashers? Ay, totoo. Ang dami pala mga kumpay. Ma'am Eden like David's interview. Nilike ni Ma'am Eden. It was actually brave of Barbie to speak her mind in P and Cherries. Girl. A-film series. A-film and series contract pala. Naku, mga... Saving Sherry.
Kasi recently
David defends Barbie
si
grateful for your
Barbie
love team.
nagsalita siya about na yung current leading man niya is the best one she had. Anong comment mo about it?
Talaga, sinabi niya.
Talaga sinabi niya.
Wala ko alam si grateful for the 3 years na magkasama kami. I think marami kaming pinagdaanan, marami kaming shows na ginawa, endorsements, we travel together, we work together. So I'm just really grateful sa partnership namin. I have nothing but praises to her dahil napakagaling ng actress. So I wish her well. I wish her well. Okay.
Ay, sana ba yun
I
sa
think this
Laguna?
one, we're going solo. As you can see,
Solo.
kaya naman nandito, diba? Also, Barbie's doing
Barbie
her
Hindis
own
yung talagang
thing.
gumawa sa issue na magkita campaign sa ex. Actually, sila lang naman talaga, mami. Sino pa ba? Mga ingitera yun sila eh. Charing mga bayad.
Gusto talaga niya.
Imagine ko. Pinapakain sa pamilya. Charis. I mean, di ba? Where's the lie? Where's the lie? Tell me, where's the lie?
I was with Julian Ward.
Excuse me.
Because hindi mo si Barbie for the kasama ko. So,
But outcome, how are you and Barbie?
okay naman. I think we're okay.
Okay.
Still good, I guess.
Kasi napaisip din kami dun sa, sususugan ko yung question ni Kiko kanina, yung dun sa naging statement niya dun sa nakaraang press con niya regarding his new leading man. In a way, parang it was compared to the past leading men na as we all know, isa ka naman talaga sa naging known ka-love team niya. So parang naging dating, may problema ba? May naging hindi ba okay between dun sa journey nyo as a love team? Parang gano'n.
I mean, paano sumagot ng showbiz, no?
Ikaw ka naman showbiz, parang mas maganda.
Well, totoo naman kasi si Karil, napakabait naman kasi talaga yung tao. Kahit ako, gusto ko talaga siya na tao, like he's a friend of mine. Pag nakita ko sa gym, I really talk to him. We talk for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes, di ba? And he's really a nice person. Kaya, for sure, yun din naman talaga yung magiging perception ko.
Nagulat ka rin.
Na ano?
Yung sa iyong statement.
Dahil siya sumagot. Dahil talaga siya sumagot. Super.
Siya yung pinakamatindong
Gusto ko talaga siya sumagot. As in, magaling talaga siya sumagot.
Eh, if that's her way,
Alam mo ako dito talaga. Ay, naku, ma-elbow ko talaga sila. Charing. Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Kiki for Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye.